again, it's 30 miles an hour, pero hindi siya safe mag-drive ng 30. So, what do you think is a safe speed? Do what you need to do, yeah. Do what you need to do. Good. Yeah, splashing. That's it. Okay. Well done. Paano ka magpapasalamat ulit dito sa UK? Sa UK, ganyan. Sa Pilipinas. Dalawang kamay.
Okay.
UK says, hey, thank you. Right for me, please. Oh, kasi wala naman. Ayan, that's it. Look to the right now. That's it. So, ganun lang. So, anong gagawin mo dito? Yeah, so, look for the space that you can pull into. Are you good? That's so close. Well done. So, half in, half out. Yeah, look to the right again before you pull out. Nothing. That's it. Nice. Beating the traffic and clearance and anticipation. Ganun ang lagi gagawin mo. So you always look well ahead para kasi ayaw mong mangyari na mag-end up kayo sa gitna, then you're done. So pag alam mong may parating, start slowing down na. Pag plano ka na, kung makatago ka ng maaga, tago ka ng maaga. Kasi what if parang ganito, di ba? Tinita mo naman siya, hindi siya, ayaw niya mag-hold back. So move to the right a little bit. So para sabihin nung sa likod na you're gonna pull up to the check that good.